how to add a co-host on booking.com. Now, first things first, before we proceed, you have to keep in mind that this specific option in adding a co-host or adding a user is only applicable for business owners or a specific user that has only a business account. So for this video, I'm just going to be showing you up on what you can see on your end if you would like to add a co-host. So just simply open or access up any web browser you want to use and head directly to booking.com. And once you're here, please do make sure that you're logged in to your business account. Now, once you have successfully logged in, there are two ways or there are two things that you can go ahead and check. So if you hover your mouse around your current username and you click on that, you should be able to see one of the options that says manage users or add users. So since you would like to add a co-host, you can just simply choose on add user, and by there will be a bunch of requirements and instructions on how you would like or what would you like to have from your co-host to do with the business account you have on your um, account right here. So what you want to do is just simply fill out those necessary forms from your manage users or your manage co-host, and you should be able to add a user or co-host without any problem. So that's it. That's how easy you can add a co-host on booking.com.